Where are you going? You're going the wrong way. You're crawling backwards, buddy. It's the wrong way. You're going the wrong way. Where are you going? Declan? What are you doing? You're going the wrong way. You gotta learn to go the other way. You ran into the couch. What are you gonna do now? Come on, buddy. You can do it. Come on. Go forward. Hey, not backwards. You're thinking about it. You really want to do it, huh? Come on. Come here.